How to find maximum of given two numbers in Python. There are two ways in which you can find the maximum of given two numbers. The first approach is to use max built-in function, which takes two or more values as arguments and returns the maximum value. Pass given numbers, a and b, to the max function as arguments, and it returns the maximum value.
The second approach is to use conditional or ternary operator, where we return a if value in a is greater than that of in b, else we assign with the value in b. Now, let us see an example for each of these approaches.
Python program to find maximum of two numbers using max built-in function. Take two numbers in variables a and b. Call max built-in function and pass a and b as arguments. The function returns the maximum value. Assign the returned value to a variable. Print the maximum value to output using print function. Save and run the program. Of the two given numbers, 20 is the maximum value, which has been printed to the output.
Python program to find maximum of two numbers using conditional or ternary operator. We assign the maximum value with a if value in a is greater than that of in b, else we assign with the value in b. Save and run the program. Of the two given numbers, 20 is the maximum value, which has been printed to the output. Concluding this video, we have seen how to find the maximum of given two numbers in Python using max built-in function and conditional or ternary operator. Thank you for watching the video. Please give the video a like and subscribe to our channel.